What did I just say?
It should be in the center.
The thing goes like this.
Okay. 8.5 feet.
Is that
9 feet is the ceiling, so this is perfect.
I give you the Griswold family Christmas tree.
Do a time lapse and say 12 hours later. You did it! Look at him go. You think you can do it, Liv? Harder or easier than you thought it'd be?
That's about what I expected.
Really? Look at his leg positioning. Ah! Olivia fell on him. Yeah, honey. He's fine. Should we help him get the tree off him? You did it, babe. You cut down your first tree. How do you feel?
Good.
Look at that handsome man with that tree.
How difficult do you think it is going to be to put the tree in that stand?
Hopefully not difficult at all. Like a 1 out of 10. Now it'll be like a 3 or 4 out of 10 just based on the size of it. Like the girth of us trying to push it into that.
And why are there needles everywhere, Todd?
I don't know, Margot. Come hit you. I could have, I guess. That tree's fallen on you 2 times today. What did I just say? Bicep curl it. Total. Okay. The garland. Ooh, it smells good.
Just help me get in here.
Okay.
You hold it up and let me tighten.
Okay.
It is super crooked. Lift it up.
Why can't we just tighten it like this? It is straight up and down.
No, but you can't because it won't close. See how it's not on those 3 prongs in the middle? Lift and you just kind of move it to where it needs to go.
In the middle, right?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do? You're gonna lift and I'm gonna push?
Just get it on top of in the middle.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. How I just tighten these?
Yeah.
Can you lean it a little toward me? A little more toward the wall then?
It should be in the center. There's no reason why they shouldn't all
Sweetheart,
reach.
the thing goes like this.
It's curved.
It's not up and down.
Well, maybe we should make it up and down.
I think it's gonna be okay. Just,
Okay. You just told me it wasn't gonna go.
are there 3 or 4?
4. Okay, it's pretty sturdy.
Great. Did we consider width in this room?
No. Well, I'm putting up the tree.
You'll be so happy, she said. Smells good. Takes up about 1/3 of the office.
It's pretty.
Yeah. Are you pleased with it?